In today's video, I'll teach you how to uninstall KB5063878 Windows 11 Update 24H2. So if you want to uninstall this particular update because it is breaking your SSDs, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is simply click on the search icon that you'll be able to see at the bottom of your screen. Now over here, what you have to do is type in Windows Update Settings. Now you'll be able to find the option for Windows Update Settings over here. Simply click on this option, open. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find the Windows Update settings over here. At left, you'll be able to find various options like Windows Update, Delivery Optimization, Windows Security, Files Backup, etc. Make sure Windows Update option is selected. Now over here, you'll be able to find various options. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for View Update History. Click on it. Once you do that, you'll be able to view the update history over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for uninstall updates. Click on it. Now you'll be able to find all the installed updates over here. Right over here, if you find the update for KB5063878, what you have to do is click on the uninstall option that you'll be able to see right next to it. After that, you'll be able to uninstall it. But before doing that, make sure Windows Sandbox is not enabled. For that, what you have to do is click on the search icon again. Now what you have to do is search for Windows Features on or off. You'll be able to find the option over here. Click on this option, open. Now you'll be able to see this kind of windows. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, what you have to do is find the option for Windows Sandbox and make sure this option is not checked. If this option is checked over here, what you have to do is uncheck it. After you uncheck it, click on the OK option and you'll have to restart the computer. Now after you do that, you'll finally be able to uninstall the update. Simply go ahead and uninstall KB5063878. Right now you can see over here I do not have that update, but if you have it, simply uninstall it. Now after you uninstall it, what you have to do is make sure Windows automatically does not install it again. For that, what you have to do is simply open up the Windows Update settings again. Now in the interface of Windows Update, over here you'll be able to find the option for pause updates for 7 days. If you have Windows 11, you'll also be able to extend this time period over here. So simply click on this option, pause updates for 7 days. After that, the updates will be paused and Windows will not automatically install that particular update. So like this, you'll be able to uninstall that particular update. So that is how you uninstall KB5063878 Windows 11 Update 24H2. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.